welcome back to my channel. It's Fancy. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia, and if today is your first time here, thank you for joining me. You're welcome to my channel. My name is Fancia. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel now. Click the post notification bell as well to get notified whenever I post a video. I know you're not gonna regret it, so do it now. So I want to say happy new year to everyone. This is my official first video of the year, isn't it? It is. I'm so excited. I'm so happy, guys, that I'm able to put this video up today. Lately I have been so busy. I have not been posting on YouTube. Thank you to everyone who reached out to me to be like, Fancy, why have you not been posting? You're not doing YouTube. I still do YouTube. I haven't been posting. That's because I am now a full-time hairstylist and a makeup artist in London. Yeah, I am so happy, and to God I am grateful for how far I have come. My job is something that really requires more of my time. So if you are going into that field of becoming a makeup artist and a stylist, doing a lot of things at the same time, in order for you to grow, you have to put more of your time, commitment. So that was what I was doing all this while, and thank God for today. So now I have tried to create some space so I can create videos and put it up here for you guys. Finger crossed. I'm gonna try my best. And also, I just launched my hairline. It's called a Fancy London Wig. Yeah, Fancy London Wig. So please follow my business page. It's Fancy Beauty. The other Jam M3 is my business page as well. I'll post more of my YouTube stuff up there, and my business page, I post my work. I post I'm gonna be posting my hair as well up there, so please follow me on my business page, and thank you already. So I installed one of my wig. So in the video you're gonna see I already cut the lace off, so it's just one of my wig. I just reinstalled the wig, and I used a glue I bought from AliExpress. I just came this morning. I ordered from AliExpress. People always tell me that I order things from AliExpress and it takes months, it takes a long time to come. I've never really experienced that because I don't order much on the site. I ordered a glue 2 months back, and the glue just came 2 whole months. I really can't believe that. I literally forgot about the glue. I was just sleeping this morning. My sister brought it out. She was like, "Pastor, what pastor?" I checked, it was the glue. I was like, what? After 2 whole months, if not even more than. It's really crazy. It's really, really crazy. I'm just gonna allow you guys see how I installed this week. I hope you're gonna learn something. Of course you will learn something. So if you're interested, definitely want to keep